In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a fast and responsive YouTube feed like this inside your Beaver Builder webpage. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll demonstrate using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. After purchasing YouTube Feed Pro, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, at the top, click Upload Plugin, and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. There we go, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Before we can get started with our first YouTube feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice YouTube Feed. Hover over it like this and click Settings. Now, beside License Key, enter the license key from your Smashballoon account, and then click Activate. Now you can see that our license key has been activated. We can begin creating our YouTube feed. On the left-hand side, under YouTube Feed once again, click on All Feeds. And to create our first feed, click on Add New. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create several different feed types. You can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, playlist, a feed of videos that match any specific search term, and more. For this tutorial, let's continue with the channel feed type that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And before we can continue, we'll have to enter our YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click Add API Key, and paste it here like this. Once pasted, click Add. And for the next step, we'll have to connect our YouTube channel with the plugin. You have 3 different methods you can use. To do that, we can enter our channel handle, channel ID, or channel username. For this tutorial, let's display the videos from the WP Beginner YouTube channel. So we can enter the channel handle here, like so, then click Next. And for our final step, we'll have to choose a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more below. For the tutorial, let's go with the cards template and click Next. Just like that, we have a live preview of our new YouTube feed inside the plugin. This feed is displaying the latest videos from the WP Beginner YouTube channel in the template that we selected. It's also ready to be embedded inside your Beaver Builder webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can see several different layout options for your feed, such as the grid, which displays your videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the gallery layout, that displays your latest video in a bigger thumbnail at the top, followed by the rest of the videos in grid layout. After that, we have the list layout, which displays your videos in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. But for this video, let's continue with the grid layout. And if you look below, you can choose how many columns you want to display inside your feed on desktop and mobile. As you can see on the right-hand side, we currently have 3 columns. But if you want to modify that, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, 4. You can see instantly that the changes have been made inside our feed. It's now displaying 4 columns. I'm going to change that back to 3. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. Currently, we have 9 videos inside the feed. But once again, if you want to modify it, just enter the number of videos you want to display. For example, 5. And the feed automatically updates to display 5 videos instead of 9. I'm going to revert that back to 9. And once you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab once again, go into Header. You can see that we have 2 different header styles you can choose from. Currently, we have the text header style enabled, which gives you a customizable text header. You can modify it below. You can type in anything you want here, like our latest videos. Alternatively, you can go with the standard header style, which displays the channel profile picture, channel name, and the channel bio as well. On the top right-hand corner, you can also see the number of subscribers on the channel. And if you want to disable the header entirely, you can toggle it off at the top here. Now you can see that the header has completely disappeared from our feed. And if you're happy with the changes, let's click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to control the videos you display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside this menu, you can add words or hashtags as filters, so that your feed only displays or hides videos containing those words or hashtags. And at the bottom, you can also enter specific video IDs to hide them manually. With these options, you have complete control over the videos you display inside your YouTube feed. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your Beaver Builder webpage. To embed it, click Embed on the top right corner, copy the dedicated shortcode for your feed, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. Now on your WordPress webpage, we can click on Launch Beaver Builder. And here we are on our Beaver Builder webpage, and this is where we'll embed our YouTube feed. To embed it, click on the plus icon in the top right corner, and we'll have to add the text editor module. We can search for it here, which is this one here. We can drag it and place it underneath our heading. Inside this module, we can paste that shortcode we copied earlier, like this, and click Save. Once that's done, you'll instantly get a live preview of your new YouTube feed inside Beaver Builder. We can now publish this page and check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are on a live WordPress web page. If I scroll down, we have our new YouTube feed right in the middle of our web page. The feed is featuring the latest videos from the WP Beginner YouTube channel and the layout that we selected. If a site visitor wants to watch any of these videos, they can click on it like this, and the video will automatically start playing inside this lightbox view directly on your WordPress web page. And if we look underneath the video, we have the channel name, number of subscribers, and the description for this video. And on the right hand corner, we have a subscribe button. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt here asking them if they'd like to subscribe. This makes it really convenient to convert site visitors into YouTube subscribers. And at the bottom of the feed, we also have a load more button. If you click on that, that will load additional YouTube videos inside your feed directly on your Beaver Builder webpage. So you now know how to create, customize, and embed a powerful YouTube feed like this on your Beaver Builder webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.